In this video, I'll show you how to use filters and stay safe on PolyBuzz or Poly.ai. First, open the app or website and log in into your PolyBuzz account. I recommend you to use different email. Again, I recommend you to use different email for you to stay safe. Now, here in our account, you would be able to see a lot of filters or character. Like this one. When you click apply, you would be able to use this filter or character. Now, let's try this filters or preferences icon. This is where you can fine tune what you see, location, age, interest. It's all customizable. Use these filters to narrow down your feed, set age ranges, choose nearby locations, and even filter by shared interest or AI topics. As you can see, the generated images are here, and the preferences that you choose, it was applied in the character or the filter that we've chose. So that's it. Smart filters plus smart choices keep your PolyBuzz feed clean and safe. Again, do not use your main email. Instead, use different email for you to get safe. Hope this video will help you how to use filters and stay safe on PolyBuzz or Poly.ai.